Hi everyone, I'm Shalu here today and I would like to warm welcome everyone who is watching my video. So without any delay, let's get started today topic. So today is not a topic, you cannot say this is topic. This thing happened with everyone I think, and this thing happened with me when I started to speak English. Then that time my friends and some my family member also laugh at me because that time I am not good in English. Now I also cannot say I am fully trained in English, but I try to make myself good in English, and I always try to speak more and more uh, fluent. Uh, this is the reason now I am able to speak English. And before 1 year, I totally unable to speak English because of practice. I'm I never give time to for my practice session of English. That's why I'm not good in English. But I'm giving time for my spoken part. That's why I'm good in this part. And uh, when I start to speak English, that time if I try to speak in front of my friends or family member, they all laugh at me. That time I feel very shy, uh, and I have very fear. Um, uh, I have fear of public. That's why I'm not want to speak in front of anyone. But after a time, I realized that if I if I will not take for my career, for my life, then no one can change my life. After on that day, I making a decision like now it's not matter I'm speaking right or wrong. I just have to speak. After a time, if I'm making some mistake, then after a time it will correct automatically. Okay, then I do all this thing in my spoken part. You can also do this thing if you want to make yourself good and your own identity. Then you can do this thing. You will have to take a decision for your life. Don't depend on other people cannot do anything for you. If you want to change your life, then first step you will have to take. Okay, if you are not taking a step for your life, then no one can change your life. So I think, yeah, you understand what I want to say. And don't get afraid, okay, in front of anyone. People just laugh on you, but they cannot make your life. You can only make your life. No one can make your life. That's why you will have to take decision for your life. Everything in your hand. You can make your life or you can destroy your life. Choice is yours. So I think bye bye everyone. It's enough for you for today practice. Just try to practice. Today you have a task. Just go and watch a cartoon video in English and try to capture some words from there and try to speak. Okay, and maybe this thing is helpful for you because this thing is very helpful for me. And when I start speaking English, then I am doing this thing. Then this is very helpful for me. Then I also think like that it is also helpful for you. That's why I am suggesting this thing. And yeah, if we are not only we, if anyone going to do something different from other, that time people laugh at me. And we are not good in English, but we are not good in anything, but by the practicing we are making ourselves perfect. So keep this in your mind. You can also make yourself perfect in any field. Choice is yours. So bye bye everyone. I will meet you in next video.